to my channel, where I share insights and strategies for building successful businesses. Today I'm going to explore the world of car importation and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to build a successful car importation business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing business, this video is for you. Section 1. Research and understanding. Before starting any business, it's crucial to do your research and understand the market. In the car importation business, this means learning about the demand for certain types of vehicles, understanding import regulations, and knowing your target audience. Take the time to study the market, attend car shows and auctions, and talk to potential customers to gain valuable insights. Section 2. Licensing and registration. To import cars legally, you need to obtain the necessary licenses and register your business. This includes getting an import license, registering with the relevant authorities, and obtaining any necessary permits. Make sure you comply with all regulations to avoid any legal issues. Section 3. Finding reliable suppliers. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial to the success of your business. Look for suppliers who offer high-quality vehicles, have a good reputation, and can provide documentation and support. Build relationships with multiple suppliers to ensure a steady supply of vehicles. Section 4. Inspecting and shipping vehicles. Before importing vehicles, inspect them thoroughly to ensure they meet your standards. Then work with a reputable shipping company to transport the vehicles to your destination. Make sure to document everything and keep records of the inspection and shipping process. Section 5. Marketing and sales. Once you have your vehicles, it's time to market and sell them. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media, advertising, and networking. Build relationships with potential customers and provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Building a successful car importation business takes time, effort, and knowledge. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a profitable and sustainable business. Remember to always do your research, comply with regulations, and focus on providing excellent customer service. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Berger Auto Market Lagos or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper, and importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment, then send the cars down to Nigeria, while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks. and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.